good, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Byron, a.k.a. the Mow-Town Hustler, a.k.a. the Grass Assassin. Yeah, it's going to be a rainy week, all week. So I think I'm going to take this opportunity to get some videos in and get some maintenance done to my equipment. And probably some other stuff. Just probably get my my scheduling more efficient. So that's probably what I'm gonna be focused on during this rainy period. But today I wanted to give you a quick little comment or my point of view on a couple of decisions I've been going back and forth with, and one specifically is whether to actually use a trailer or actually to just use a mowing setup from a truck without a trailer. You know, now I'm a trailer guy, so I think having a trailer is the best way to go. But I have heard some point of views from guys saying that not having a trailer and just using the truck is a more efficient way to go as far as moving in and out of traffic, you know, saving gas, as far as, you know, not having a heavy trailer pulling behind the truck, all of that kind of stuff. I do understand. My only issue is that if there's an actual large benefit to not having a trailer in terms of saving gas, then that may be a issue as far as route density. You may have a route density issue if you actually seeing a benefit of not having a trailer because you're able to save gas. You may be driving a little too much in between, you know, going from one lawn to the next lawn. So that's why I think having a trailer is really the best way to go, because, you know, we all should really be focused on having route density, having a good amount of route density, and not rely on, you know, traveling so far between lawns and then trying to save money on gas. I really think having a trailer and focus on route density saves you gas. You know, and you're not in a position where you have to decide so much of what equipment can I take with me today because my space is limited. With the trailer, you can pretty much take all of your equipment that you will need, and not be forced to leave something at home that, you know, one of your customers may require that service from that piece of equipment that you decided that you had to leave because you didn't have the space. So I mean, but that's just my opinion. I know it. Everybody has their different needs and, you know, different things that work for them. But you know, I got to thinking about that when I can't remember who said it, and it was a couple of guys that said that actually having a truck and not having to have that trailer, you know, allows you to be more efficient driving through traffic. You know, you don't need as much space to get over, and you can turn around and the customers yards or in driveways with no problem, and all that stuff is true. But I just think, I would rather have all the equipment that I may possibly need with me than to not have that stuff and then have to make multiple trips to the customer's house, which is going to negate all the gas savings that I would have had, So I just wanted to do a quick little comment on that. And like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button. Holler back at your boy.